guys, welcome to my channel. So I look super weird right now because I'm gonna be putting this wig on, this super adorable pink wig that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to be doing a monochromatic pink makeup look. Alright, so I'm gonna go put this on and then we'll get started. Okay, so I feel like this wig looks pretty good. It was only about $17 off of Amazon, but the front of it is not very realistic looking, and that's really the only problem I have with this wig. Otherwise, it's like super cute, I love it, but the front of it doesn't look very realistic, so I am going to put like a little bandana on, or headscarf, or whatever you want to call this. See? All better. Now it just looks like I've got cute pink hair. This was my first time ever like buying a wig that wasn't for Halloween and like wearing it for other than just Halloween, so, you know, sorry if everyone's out there cringing because I don't know how to put on a wig or how to like make it look more realistic. Bear with me. So only using drugstore products, I'm going to start out with my foundation, which is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Foundation in the tube, because I'm pretty sure that the tube one is different than the other one. This is a very natural foundation, which is what I like so much about it. And I just swear it's not as drying as the one in the bottle. There's a PhotoFocus foundation in the bottle, and when everyone was trying this foundation in the tube saying they loved it, I'm like, isn't it the exact same thing? But now that I've tried it, I think that it is not the exact same thing. Next, going with my concealer. It is the Ulta Beauty Waterproof, I think, Liquid Full Coverage Concealer. I'm getting a tattoo later, so like I'm genuinely trying to make my makeup look good. I think I just need to make the wig look bad just for a second. For powder, I'm gonna be using the Airspun translucent powder. Now for my bronzer, using one of my absolute favorites and a definite cult classic, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I have the light bronzer, and it looks like this. It smells amazing. I haven't used this for a while, but this is one of my absolute favorite bronzers. I will blend out my bronzer, and also I will fix that. Just ignore this. It's a lot harder to do a makeup tutorial in a wig than I thought it was gonna be. But I always blend out my bronzer with powder later. Now using a blush I haven't used in forever, the Lottie London Blush Crush in Drape, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty, but I have not used this in forever. But look at how beautiful. It's such a soft pink, and it is matte, but it does have a little bit of like, I want to say more like glitters in it that makes it look really nice. But whenever I tap my brush into it, it breaks. Like the powder is very, very fine, and so it breaks, it like cracks every time I put my brush into it. I'm also going to be putting more blush on my nose than I normally do. I also normally don't put blush on my temples, but I've seen people doing that and it looks really pretty, so, you know, just put a little bit of blush everywhere. Before I do highlighter, I'm going to do my brows really quick. I'm going to take the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade and the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I'll be right back with brows. My brows are done. I look much more alive now. Next up is highlighter. Of course, I'm going with a pink highlighter. I'm taking the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. I mean, it's more like a pink, like, I don't know, more like a pink champagne. So, I mean, I just think it has a nice pink undertone to it. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids because I forgot to do that. Now taking my highlighter, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. You know, I am going to be doing eyeshadow, but I kind of want the eyeshadow just to blend in with that. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the Soph X Revolution, the original eyeshadow palette. And first, I'm just going to be going into this shade right here, which I think is called Tiramisu. Not 100% sure. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is just a slightly darker pink shade. Now I'm going to take the tiniest little bit of this hot pink shade down here because I do want it to be a little bit more pink. And just blending it back out with that light pink shade I used at the beginning. Now I've got a very soft pink eye look. Now taking this brush again, I'm just going to mix that like medium pink shade and that hottish pink shade. I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. I want my lower lashes to be a little bit more hot pink, a little bit more prominent, so I did not tap it off. Taking that light pink shade again, and I'm just going to soften up my bottom lash line. Alright, I'm going to recreate this on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished my eyes up. For my eyeliner, I used the Wet n Wild Megaliner, and for my lashes, I used the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It's one of my faves. So now the final step in the monochromatic pink look is lips. I'm going to be using one of my favorite lip combinations, which is the NYX Lip Liner in Natural, which you guys can't see, and also the NYX Lip Lingerie in Lace Detail. This is seriously my perfect nude. I love it so much, so I'm really excited to use it. Also, sorry I don't have like a new thing back there. I kind of thought this one really fit for this video, so if you guys haven't tried NYX's lip lingeries, you really need to. It is one of the most comfortable matte formulas. So I don't really know about the headband that I'm wearing. I don't know if it like kind of throws off the look. I don't know, because it is a different pink. I just thought I kind of went with this shirt. I don't know anything. Here's the final look at the monochromatic pink makeup. Hopefully this is monochromatic enough for you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to do more. I have a whole fall one planned out because of these earrings I got. I'm super excited about it. It's not quite fall yet, but that will be coming soon. I honestly really like it, and I think that if I wore a hat, like people probably wouldn't even be able to tell it's not my hair because it's not super shiny. It doesn't look super fake. It's just the hairline, you know, is the only thing that really doesn't look real. So I think if I wore a hat, I think people wouldn't even know. And this is all very affordable makeup. You can find all of this makeup either at Ulta, Walmart, or Target. There's only two things I'm not sure if they sell at Ulta, but I know you can find them at Walmart and Target. So I think that's all I have for you guys today. I don't know if I said this already or not, but I will link this wig down below. It was from Amazon. It's super affordable. I think it's really good quality, honestly. It's got a lace inside. It even has like a buckle in the back to hold it down, and it's just, I feel like it's really good. I mean, I don't know much about wigs, but I feel like it's a pretty great quality one. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, let me know what you guys think of the wig. Let me know what kind of colors you guys would want me to do a monochromatic look for. Let me know if you guys think I should buy more wigs and do more videos with them, because I think I would kind of like that. Like, I think I could be into wearing wigs a little bit more. I just think it's really fun, and I think there's quite a few videos I could probably do with this, just styling it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've got so many ideas. I post videos every single Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye! I feel fabulous.